Hey guys, we're on to stop number 4 for our shop hop here in East Tennessee. This is another great shop in Sevierville, and we had such a fun time. I can't believe all the great finds that I had at these two shops in Sevierville. I will definitely be headed out this way again soon. So this shop is called the Cherry Pit, and it's in downtown Sevierville. We had a great time. We had to park on the next street over because that's what happens in downtown at lunchtime, but we got to check out an old historic home. So we had a little stop at our homeschool history class, found some really cool art, and then got to take some pictures in front of some mosaics. Homeschool history on the way to the quilt shop. Shop hop. Got too many kids in tow today. Here, I think I found your Halloween fat quarter bundle.
It's like subtly Halloween, but
That's
still Halloween.
kind of what I like about it. Kira, look at this giant rickrack. That's like an inch and a half. You guys. They have a lot of pre-cuts here too. at all these settle prints down here that have that Halloween feel. Ooh, I like that on the diagonal. Hi, I am. Okay, we can do that now.
That we're going to show. This one's really quick. This is for half square triangles.
Okay.
You know, normally we draw our line down the middle, so a 1/4 inch off. With this one, if you take the opening on each end and put it at the tips, then draw the line on each side, and that gives you your sew line versus sewing a 1/4 inch
3
off.
lines, yeah.
Now this is our main demo. Now this one is $6.99. We have it up at the front if that's something you're interested in. But this is one of the Stripology rulers.
Okay.
And this one is special because it goes to 1/4 inch and 3/4 of an inch.
Wow.
So I could also do the same thing with my half square triangle and not have to draw any lines. I can use this little mark right here on this side, and this side is for right-handed and left-handed.
Okay.
So I can lay this right in here to line it up, and then take my rotary and cut straight up through there.
Okay.
Line that up a little bit straighter. Then I would have my 2 triangles already cut.
Okay.
And then just take it to the sewing machine and be able to sew, and I didn't have to draw any lines.
Okay.
So that's another way.
Yeah.
Now, once I've gotten it sewn, then I need to square it up. So this one I'm wanting to square it up to 3 3/4. So I'm going to line it up with these dotted lines so that they're touching each one of my corners.
Okay.
So when I get that lined up, then I'm going to go down here to 3 3/4 and 3 3/4 and cut on each side.
Wow.
Then pick it up and turn it, and I would do the same thing
Okay.
to be able to get it squared up.
There.
You've got your passport check back in.
Oh, the fabric just goes on and on. Hey guys, apparently I need to go check out the MODA room, which is back here. They've got an entire room dedicated to MODA fabric. Come on, boys. Oh, look. Laguna. No, that's not Laguna Bay. What is that? Cherry lemonade? There's the little fig tree. Oh, they have stitched. And Bonnie and Camille. Y'all need to be still. totally forgot to mention on our drive home, we had the exciting event of somehow managing to run over this chain that has a big hook on it like you would use to hook to the back of your car when you had a trailer behind you. Somehow got hooked to the thing at the bottom of my vehicle. And so I had this weird feeling and this weird smell, and I got to pull over on the side of the road and deal with that. So, you know, never a dull moment, right? Anywho, we made it home safely and we got to have some fun, and I found some really cool shops. So definitely thanks for watching. If you're enjoying getting to see some of these videos, like and comment and share with your friends. These videos are a little bit more localized for my friends here in Tennessee, but I always think it's fun to see what other quilt shops have going on, because every quilt shop has its own personality, its own kind of feel, its own flavor, and it's really exciting to see what else is out there. So I hope you'll check out the rest of these, and until then, I will see you guys next time.